And in 3, 2, 1, go!
And that marks the start of match number 53. There's movement on both sides of the field as robots go to the center to collect game pieces and score them on both their sides. 1729, Team Inconceivable, and Mechanical. Going into autonomous, there's a score of 26-17 in favor of the Blue Alliance. Team 190 works to get to the center of the field as 1729 has a cone in hand and scores. Mechanical Advantage scores a cone, getting themselves a link, just as the Stu Pulse team does the same. Airstrike works to collect a piece as Team Inconceivable is in their community. There seems to be a bit of a tangle over here between 190 and 6324. But a few red teams are collecting game pieces as Airstrike brings the cube back to their base to score with about 90 seconds left on the clock. Mechanical Advantage brings the cube into the hybrid zone as 694 gets into their loading zone to get another piece. Mechanical Advantage heads back to their loading zone, and Team Inconceivable scores another cone. 694 just lined up to get another point, and that brings up to a total of 3 links for the Blue Alliance. Now up to 4. Team 190 has a cube and is working to bring it back to their community. With about 45 seconds left, Mechanical Advantage brings the cube over to their zone to score, just as 190 does with their cube. And that marks the beginning of endgame with a score of 107-35 in favor of the Blue Alliance. Robots are still moving across the field to score as Mechanical Advantage and 694 work to get a dock and engage. Airstrike is doing the same over in the Red Alliance while there's a fight for the dot in the center of the field. It seems that we might get a double balance as 3, 2, 1. And that marks the end of match 53. Stay tuned for the score. And we have the scores. The Blue Alliance wins the match with a score of 149-62, but both alliances take home some ranking points.